Are you above 55 and looking to work out from home? Well, you found the right place. This video is designed to guide you through a simple yet effective home workout routine. It's vital to stay physically active, especially as we age, and this routine is tailored just for that. No fancy gym equipment or strenuous exercises, just a gentle routine you can comfortably do in your own living room. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your health, and we're here to help you do just that. Before we jump into the workout, here are some handy tips to keep in mind. It's crucial to warm up your body before any exercise. Warming up increases your heart rate, loosens your muscles and joints, and can help you avoid injuries. Next, always maintain proper form. It's not about how many reps you can do, but how well you can do them. Proper form ensures you're targeting the right muscles and not straining the wrong ones. Finally, listen to your body. If an exercise feels painful beyond the typical muscle burn, it's time to take a step back. And remember, always consult your doctor before starting this or any other workout routine. With these tips in mind, you're ready to get started. Now, on to the main event, your at-home workout routine. Let's start with something simple, gentle stretches. Reach your arms high above your head, hold for a few seconds, and then lower them slowly. This is a great way to wake up those muscles and get your blood flowing. Next, let's move on to chair squats. Stand in front of a sturdy chair, lower yourself down as if you were going to sit, but stop just before you touch the seat. Then stand back up. This works your legs and core without putting too much pressure on your joints. Now let's give those arms some love with wall push-ups. Stand about 2 feet away from a wall, place your hands on the wall at shoulder height, and then push your body away. The beauty of this exercise is that you can adjust the difficulty by moving closer or further from the wall. Finally, we have leg lifts. While holding on to something for support, lift one leg to the side, then slowly lower it back down. Repeat this with the other leg. This helps work your hip muscles and improve your balance. Remember, it's important to take breaks as needed and go at a pace that feels comfortable for you. It's not about how fast or how much you can do, but rather about keeping your body active and healthy. Remember, the key to a successful workout is consistency. Try to incorporate these exercises into your daily routine. And there you have it, a simple, effective workout routine you can do from the comfort of your home. We've covered everything from warm up to cool down, emphasizing the value of consistent physical activity. Remember, it's not just about the exercises we've introduced today, but the regular commitment to keeping your body moving. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Stay active, stay healthy, and take care of yourself. Until next time.